Hey there, beautiful souls. Today I want to take you on an incredible journey, the I Am journey, a path that takes us from simply understanding the I Am as a concept to truly living and embodying it every single day. So, what is this I Am? Well, it's not just an idea or a philosophy. It's your true divine essence. It's who you really are. At your core, you see, we often think of the I Am as something separate from us. But the truth is, it's our true nature, the essence of who we are. And here's the thing, I Am statements hold immense creative power. Whether we're aware of it or not, we're constantly shaping our reality with these declarations. When you say, I am strong, I am love, or I am enough, you're not just speaking words. You're aligning yourself with these states of being. You're tuning into your infinite potential and the unconditional love that is your birthright. Now, you might wonder, how do we move from intellectual understanding to true embodiment? The answer lies in integrating the I Am into our daily experiences. Quantum physics and epigenetics are now revealing fascinating similarities with I Am consciousness. They show us that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. This scientific backing is a powerful reminder that when we embody the I Am, we're not just dreaming, we're creating. But how does living the I Am impact our everyday lives? Well, let me tell you, it transforms everything. From our relationships to our decision-making to our sense of purpose. When we live from the I Am, we align with our highest self and make choices that are in harmony with our true nature. Imagine waking up every day with a deep sense of connection to your authentic self, feeling empowered to create your reality consciously, with love and intention. That's the power of living the I Am. So, beautiful souls, let's make a commitment today to move beyond just understanding the I Am as a concept and start embodying it daily. Let's embrace our true nature and step into our infinite potential. Remember, you are not separate from the I Am. You are it. And when you live from this place, you transform not only your life, but the world around you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, stay blessed and keep shining your divine light, peace and love always. Up and ding dong.